So welcome to the weekend weekly outlook, meaning that I am looking at the week ahead, what I'm expecting. So what are we expecting in the coming week? We are looking these four time frames for our daily, weekly, and monthly. Looking at the on the monthly, we are seeing that the buy side liquidity of the previous month has been taken out, and and today is on when? Today is just on today is on 19th. Today is on 19th. So we have how many days? We have around 2 weeks until the end of this month. Yes, we have 2 weeks until the end of this month. So on the monthly, we're seeing that the buy side liquidity of the previous month has been taken out, and as we can see here is that we are filling this candle over this area, and if you look at this particular level over here, we are having some kind of rejection at this particular point. I don't know if you can see this weak rejection at this particular point until price sell off. But on this month of May, price came back, and are we going to continue pushing to the upside? That is yet to be seen. But what I can say is that the price may continue pushing to the upside in order to fill this candle weak. Okay, over to the weekly time frame. We are seeing what? We're seeing that the buy side liquidity of the previous week, that was the 6th May, the week that was starting like that, was taken out, and price continued pushing to the upside, and the upside up until it came to the previous month, and we had an invalid sell over here, so to count, and we are seeing what are we seeing? We're seeing this is still invalid. Since what do we need to see for this price to continue pushing to the upside? We will need a break of this particular point. We need price to break this, then we can shoot to the upside. That will take long to happen. So looking at the daily, let me just adjust the buy side and the sell side liquidity of the previous day. Looking at the daily is that the sell side liquidity was taken out of the previous day, and when it was taken out, price reversed to the upside, closing above the supply. If you remember, I was talking about this on Wednesday, is that it is as if prices likely wants to create a 3 control at this supply over here, but we closed as a doji. This is so tricky. The possibility of this price pushing to the upside, a little bit to the upside, and then pushing to the downside is very highly likely. So be careful at that particular point. So tomorrow we'll be looking for the buy side liquidity of the previous day to be taken out, and something like that. Before we continue, let's look at the news this week. This week is panning out to be. Looking at the news, we are seeing on Monday there is bank holiday. Ooh. Why is there bank holiday? White Monday. Wheat Monday. German bank will be closed to observe Wheat Monday. Canadian bank will be closed to observe Victoria Day. We'll be having a FMC member wallet. So tomorrow we are not expecting a lot of volume in the markets, though on the On the New York session, the market's likely to move. Yeah. On Tuesday, what are we looking on Tuesday? On Tuesday, we don't have anything on the Euro pair, though we're having President Lagarde speaking at 11 a.m. This is a medium impact news expected, and due to speak to the Frankfurt School of Finance. Interesting. On Wednesday, looking on Tuesday still on USD pair, we are seeing FMC member Wale speak. Where will he be speaking? Due to speaking about economic outlook and monetary policy at an online event hosted by Peterson Institute for International Economics. Audience questions expected. Yeah, we're seeing that we're going to affect the market, but not that much. Canadian, we are seeing some news in Canadian CPI, and this is going to bring about a ripple effect on other pairs. Looking at the Wednesday, on Wednesday Euro pair we are not having anything. On USD we are having FOMC meetings at 9 p.m. and our guy more hawkish than expected is good for currency. Okay, Jerome Powell will be speaking. Federal Open Meeting Committee. That's the meaning of FOMC. On Thursday, we'll be having news coming in hot. The PMI news from 10:15 all the way towards 11:30. News will be coming in hot. On Friday, it is going to be calm, though we are seeing the G7 meetings, which will be starting on Thursday. That is interesting. On Thursday, it is looking high impact news. I'm not sure if I'm going to place any trades on Thursday, but if the market shows me something, I'm going to take it. But if nothing, don't take anything. So on Friday is good to trade. On Wednesday, I'm not sure because of the FOMC meeting minutes. The market may consolidate all the day. On Tuesday, the market is likely to move. On Monday, low volatility expected. This week is just no volume, man. This week has no volume. No volume. Yeah. Enough of that. Looking at the daily, we have gone through this one. On the 4 hour, looking at the 4 hour, we are seeing that the price after it sold off, it came back. After it sold off, we saw the market doing what? Creating this supply, and the market came in. So be looking for buys at the break of this one to target this supply over that level, and we'll be looking for sales below this one. Yeah, that's what's up. That is what you are waiting for, and that's for my weekly outlook. Yeah, what I'm expecting based upon the 4-hour daily, weekly and monthly, and the news. That's all, and see you tomorrow on day what? On day 15. Yeah, see you tomorrow on day 15. Yeah, that's what's up, and goodbye.